So the Xiaomi HONGMI 1S here has an Android, so we can have a look. So right away in the settings about the phone. So as you can see, this is a HONGMI phone, of course, HONGMI 1S, and this is a 4.3 with a MIUI version 5. Okay, so here you can even confirm the quad-core 1.6 GHz, the RAM of 1 GB. We here are the internal memory, so 3.48 available and 8 GB in total. Okay, so that was just to show you quickly. So let's have a look since the beginning at the settings, and then we will go through this specific version, MIUI version 5. Okay, so as you can see, it's a bit different. So we have quick settings and all settings. So let's have a look at all settings right away. So this is you can have the airplane mode to shut off everything. The SIM management, because of course we have the WCDMA and GSM SIM card inside, so you can choose your mobile networks too. The Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, of course. If we click on more, so you can see you can set up a VPN, tethering, and connect to display via Wi-Fi. For the display, so you can of course choose the brightness, put it automatic on that, the color, temperature, and saturation. You can even prevent misuse, so which means like while your phone is in your pocket, will not turn on. Wallpaper, so you can choose your wallpaper, the screensaver, of course, what kind of launcher you want, and optimize everything basically. Okay, so for the sound, it is the same like other almost other Android. So we have a very good sound on this phone, so you will see. Okay, so you can customize basically everything, as you can see. Security, privacy too, and DND. So DND, as you can see here, is enable calls and notifications that arrive while your phone is locked will be silent. Okay. So we do have the Mi Cloud. So the Mi Cloud is basically up to 10 GB of free storage space and allows you to back up a lot of different things. So we also have the Google account, of course, because we do have the Play Store. We'll go through it later on. The battery, I already said, is 2000 mAh battery. So the storage is 8 GB, and we have more than 4 GB for free. Okay, so the button keys, and you can set up and tell the phone what it has to launch depending on the button. So the LED notifications that you can customize as well. A headset, of course, the elder mode settings, but for all people. The languages, this is all the languages we have on the phone. Okay, so you will probably find yours, as the list is pretty huge. Okay, so we can come back here. So application manager, backup and resets, developer options if you want to have a quick look at it. So you can set up a lot of different options. Okay, so that was just to show the settings. So for the quick settings, it's just like to have a quick access to everything right away: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, wallpaper, the launcher, device, ringtone, and the Mi Cloud too, as you can see. Okay, so we can go back and let's have a look here. So toggles, so we can set up right away everything. So the airplane, the Bluetooth, the rotation, the vibration, everything, the auto bright light. If we put on more, if you put more, you arrive right away on to customize the toggles position, which is very nice. So you can activate more and place them wherever you want. Okay, so if we go back here, you even have like something for notifications and something for toggles, and here we go back right away to settings. Okay, So basically, what is special on this Android version? Okay, it's Android 4.3 for sure, but this is a MIUI version 5. Okay, so for the people who don't really know what is this, so the special thing about Xiaomi is like they already have the Mi Cloud, so you can save. You have access to up to 10 gigabytes of free storage space, of course, and otherwise you have the themes here. So you can customize your phone really extensively, so you can have whatever themes you want on it, so you can change very freely all the appearance and everything on it. Okay, so we have the theme, of course, the security, so you have an antivirus, no spyware, bloatware, and other protections on these phones. So we have everything about security. You can see you can even clean the memory, optimize the power, virus scan, blocklist, permissions, data usage. Okay, you can check and make some tests. Okay, so otherwise we have the basic stuff like the camera, the gallery, and the music, of course. On the other side here, the calendar, the notes that you can copy from the web or create your own notes. We have a weather application which is very useful. So the Mail Explorer, of course. So here the security check, as I told you before, so this is a Mi Cloud. You can access the downloads, feedback, password, and backup. Otherwise, we do have the Play Store. Okay, so you have access to all your favorite apps, through the Play Store, no problem at all. Google Maps, and that's it basically for the different applications by default on this phone. Okay. So this is it basically for the Android version. Just to show you what is going on, and now let's have a look at a small video in order to test the sound and how the video renders on the phone, and then we will make like a gaming test with Asphalt 8. Now let's have a look at the multi-touch. So if we put our fingers on it, let's see. So we got, this is a 10 points touch screen, so IPS screen, which has, I forgot to say it before, but Corning Gorilla Glass 2, so no scratch free, and doesn't break that easy. Okay, so that's it. And now when we're done with that, we can actually have a look at the specific Android version of this phone.